When utilizing an import block to bring an existing database under Terraform management, which two specific details must you define? Option A, the authentication string utilized for database connectivity. Option B, the unique identifier of the existing resource on the cloud platform. Option C, the version number and type of the existing database software. Option D, the absolute system path to the target configuration file. Option E, the target resource address where the imported resource will be managed.
Let us think about how Terraform handles bringing pre-existing infrastructure into its state file using configuration-driven imports. When you define an import block, you are essentially telling Terraform to bridge the gap between a real-world resource and your infrastructure as code declarations. This process requires you to specify both the exact identity of the remote object and the corresponding resource block inside your local configuration where it will live.
I believe the correct answers are B and E. The Terraform import block relies on two specific attributes to successfully map existing infrastructure to a configuration resource. The ID attribute provides the unique identifier for the resource as it exists on the provider, while the To attribute specifies the address of the resource block in your Terraform code that will manage this imported resource. Options A, C, and D are incorrect because they refer to connection details, metadata, or file system paths, none of which are required fields within the import block syntax. As a helpful exam tip, always remember that an import block fundamentally needs to know the exact remote identity and the local resource address, rather than database configuration parameters or local file paths.